Welcome. My name is Rob Mack. I'm the head pilot at Mighty Drones. We're a New York-based production service company that specializes in aerial videography and gimbal camera movement. You are watching Adorama TV. Today, we're going to take a look at the Mavic 3 Pro. Yes, yet another variation in the Mavic 3 lineup. Short answer, this is an incredible drone with remarkable technology. The Mavic 3 Pro will elevate your visual aesthetic and may even fake you being a better drone pilot. You can press a button and it literally flies itself. You're now able to offer your client a compressed and artistic look that has never been seen before on a pocketable drone. For my professionals watching, yes, there is a Mavic 3 Pro Cine option, and yes, it does record ProRes in all three cameras. I really didn't want to like this drone, but here's a test shot of the Mavic 3 Cine digitally zoomed in to the same 3x focal length as the Mavic 3 Pro. It's clear that M3 Pro gets the W. We are now able to swap lenses mid-flight to a practical focal length, and it looks amazing. This is what makes the Pro and worth the upgrade to some people. The 70mm lens is what will set your visuals apart from everyone else. You're now able to finally add compression to your images. This feature, mixed with the ability to shoot ProRes, takes this drone one large step closer to the Inspire series. Note to DJI: please enable dual operator mode on a secondary controller. Having an operator even just tilt the camera is a really big deal when piloting an all-in-one system. I travel a lot for work, and depending on scale, budget, and creative of the production, can't always bring the Inspire. To be able to throw this drone into our backpacks is the reason why we all fell in love with the Mavic series back in 2016. I remember the announcement presentation. The speaker had a Steve Jobs moment, pulling the drone from his back pocket. The Mavic series has redefined what's possible with aerial videography. From low-budget indies to traveling documentaries, even larger union sets, this drone is able to fit in every pocket of our industry. The Mavic 3 Pro is the pinnacle for pocketable drones at the moment. This is the first version of the next generation drones. Just remember, sometimes the best camera is the one you have on you. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Rob Mack. Stay fly.